Hi everyone, welcome to Yagutamizhi. In this video, we are going to discuss about what is cloud computing. In simple terms, we can explain cloud computing as renting the another company resources over the internet for the period of time. Okay, if you not understand this particular line, we will discuss with this help of this diagram. Then again, we will come to this particular line. I hope you get some idea. Okay, if you see this diagram. Okay, normally the company which providing cloud services, they are called as cloud providers. Okay, example we can take as Microsoft Azure, AWS, GCP, Google Cloud Platform. They are providing cloud services, so we can call them as cloud provider. Okay, actually this cloud provider, what they will do is they will manage the data center all over the world. If you take Azure, they are having more than 160 plus data center all over the world. Okay, with the help of this data center, they will provide resources like compute, storage, network through the internet. Okay, with the help of internet, they will provide the resources. The customers like as what they will do is whatever the resources he need, they simply request to the cloud. Okay, then the cloud will give the service, provide the service through the internet. Okay, if you take example, if you he need compute. Okay, with the compute of 8 GB RAM, 8 GB RAM and 1 TB hard disk, hard or memory. Okay, the cloud simply provide this service and he going to use this particular resources for 1 year. After 1 year, he no need this resources, and then what he will do is he simply return to the cloud and he only going to pay for the amount for that particular 1 year. Okay, because he already rent these services. The one of the advantages of cloud is we are going to only take the resources for rent. Okay, after the usage we simply return to the cloud. They will manage everything, the hardware update, whatever it is, only going to manage in the data center. We no need to manage, we no need to maintain nothing. Okay, everything they will manage. Okay, that is what cloud computing. I hope you get some idea. Okay, if you again you come to this point, I already told that cloud computing is renting the resources. I like compute, storage, network, whatever it is, we renting with the another company resource. Another company resource is nothing but cloud provider. I told you the company which providing cloud computing resources, they are called as cloud provider. Okay, through how we will brought the service through the over the internet. Okay, and how much time we are going to use for the particular period of time. After the usage, we will simply return to the cloud. Okay, and we going to pay for the resources for the particular time you use. Okay, that is what cloud computing. Okay, and now we will discuss some key points about what is cloud computing. Okay, cloud computing means internet based computing. Okay, the computing they provided through the internet. Okay, that is what internet based computing. And I already told that all the resources we brought from the cloud through renting. Okay, after the usage we will simply return to the cloud. Okay, we only going to pay for this rented time. That is what renting the IT resources. And then I already told the company which providing cloud services, they are called as cloud provider. Okay, cloud provider in the current global market, the trending cloud providers are Microsoft, Azure, AWS and GCP. There are more cloud service providers are there, like IBM also, and they are providing cloud computing, like Alibaba Cloud. There are more cloud providers there, but the most trending cloud providers are Microsoft, Azure, AWS and GCP. And the last point is same resources shared by multiple customer. If you not understand, I will tell one example. Okay, example, in cloud they are managing, they have multiple services like compute, storage, network. Like I tell with one storage example. Okay, this is storage. Okay, similar this storage in the Azure data center. Okay, example, take us simple, very basic example. You take us, this is one as 100 TB. Okay, this hardware, this memory having 100 TB. Okay, now one customer came to cloud and he asking for 10 TB memory. Okay, then what cloud actually do, they split this hardware for the 10 TB, then this hardware provided to this customer. Okay, Likewise, another one customer came, okay, again came to this cloud and asking for another 10 TB. What actually cloud do? Again cloud split this again the same hardware for the 10 TB and give to this particular customer. Okay, likewise, multiple customer can ask, right? For that multiple customer, they split in the same hardware they going to give. Okay, but the one of the important thing is, while sharing the same hardware, it is very difficult for the security, right? But in the cloud, this particular customer using this particular person, right? This particular he is storing his data here. Likewise, this customer storing his data in this particular location, but the ultimate thing is all they are sharing the same hardware. Okay, but the thing is, this customer data not going to leak through this customer. Likewise, this customer data not going to leak through this customer. Okay, that is what they are telling. Same resources shared by multiple customer, but all the thing is very secure, because the cloud computing is more secure. We will discuss the advantages, benefits, everything in the upcoming videos. Yeah guys, that is, I hope you got some idea about what is cloud computing. Okay guys, thank you. We will see in the next video.